Previously on Kimba TV.
I'm thinking about maybe we'll see what the Dawn did leave, but if you guys remember, we were shorting here. Okay. We talked about. So let's see how these levels react. I'm kind of watching here. Yeah, this is almost like a mutated crown, if you will, to the third one is the deepest. This one should be something like that, then go. But the fourth one, it shouldn't make a low, otherwise we're going lower in my opinion. Dude, it's 5:30 in the morning, what the heck? All right, 60 seconds, y'all. I'm sipping on that coffee. All right, 50 seconds, you guys, 50 seconds, here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, S&P getting nasty, y'all. S&P getting nasty, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. We get nasty, y'all. Let's go. Dollar is useless. Dollar is useless. Hey. Hey, what's going on, Tecmo? CPI, motherfuckers. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys good? Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, you already know what it is. Hey, let's get nasty, y'all. Let's get nasty. Who's ready to get nasty? Murph says, let's get nasty, baby. That's right, that's right. What's the phases? Phase 1 is futures. Phase 2 is futures reacting to the numbers, and then phase 3 is when markets actually open. So I'm just reading the reactions, and in about 50 minutes, markets are gonna open, and we'll see what it is. I'm gonna run and get more coffee too. Let's see if this is a sweep, y'all. Phase 4 is when we all take a trip to Lithuania. All right, we juicing, y'all, we juicing. Let me go run to the kitchen. Sweep coming? What do you mean? The sweep just happened, hopefully. Are we gonna get a backhand with the new setup? Yes, I think so. I think so, brother. Come on, baby, we juicing like a motherfucker. Get some coffee. Dude, I am so sleepy and tired, but we juicing though, we juicing. We got the Jamba Juice franchise up and running, you know what I'm saying? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get lower than the POC. Get lower than the POC. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Get below the POC. How we doing, y'all? How we doing, y'all? How we doing, y'all? We getting nasty. Ysec says you aren't shorting this yet, right? Ysec, I'm already in, brother. I'm in there. I'm in there, dog. I'm in there. Yeah, if you rewind, you can actually see exactly what I was doing, brother. If you rewind, you can see me do this. Let me see how I can get MEXC on here. And then, you know where the stop loss is? If it's a sweep, you already know what it would be. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey! Hey! Hey. Who? Getting nasty, nasty. Sato was happy, now he's sad. The fuck is Sato doing? Don't tell me he's in a long.
It's over.
Oh, he's in a short. Fuck.
Zero.
Fuck. Damn it. Wait, he shorted the bottom though. He shorted the wick. Oh my, I can't watch that shit right now. Hold on. Let me TP first and then we can watch the comedy show. You guys good? We straight juicing up with this bitch. I'm probably gonna look to TP some here. Everybody good. How much are we juicing? We're up a quick little 40K, you heard? We're up a little 40K, you heard? Yes, you misunderstood. We're not in the business of predicting the future, Nereus. It's level by level. So there's rarely a time where I'm like, I'm gonna take it all. Yeah, I think you should always leave a little bit to run. Yeah, so there is no, it's rare that I'll be like, I'm gonna close everything here. Usually I'll always let a little bit run, Nereus. Yeah, because if you're gonna start to do the whole, I'm gonna close it here, I'm gonna open a long here, you know, it's you're almost like trying to predict the future. So, you know, it's always good to chip away at levels that you've identified. But yeah, I wouldn't do a whole thing. Sato is fucked. Fuck. Oh, I mean, I shouldn't laugh at that, but what the hell? Alright, meanwhile, I got filled live on stream with you guys, and look at me. How do I do the realize so you guys can see I got limit filled? Not too hard, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't have to be that hard. TP is on 25.2. I think we should just take it level by level. I think here is a good area to chip a little bit. The TP depends on if you're up. Okay, if you've lost a shit ton of money, then you should probably be TPing at every fib level. You know, can you afford to have it do this on you? Can you afford to have it do this on you? You know, I'm playing with profits. I'm almost up close to $3 million for the year. So where I'm gonna TP might be different where you might TP. You know, you gotta figure out if you can afford to actually play the statistical probabilities of it going lower. Everything is a probabilities game. But yeah, 25.2 wouldn't be bad, but I'm definitely looking at here. If you still remember, you remember I think that's an interesting area. So, and then obviously you need to have confluence with S&P as well. So assuming that this breaks, right? We need this one to lose. So we need to do something like this. Okay. Assuming this golden pocket gets lost. We're gonna be looking at that one. So we have a while to go. Greenfinger says, you've got a textbook plan on how to play CPI. Do you have such a textbook for FOMC? I pretty much do the same thing, Greenfinger. I always just, like, the first thing that I would say, Greenfinger, is have you gone back and taken a look at what CPI is for the last 8 CPIs? So the most important thing is you want to look at patterns, right? So when the CPI is good, does it actually pump? When the CPI is bad, does it actually dump? You know, so you definitely want to be able to look at the past CPIs and the FOMCs and at least be able to tell me what you've observed that you can rely on moving forward. So FOMC, same thing. I will usually counter the initial move. That's why we talk about the 3 phases. Phase 1 is just futures. Phase 2 is just futures reacting to the number. And then phase 3 is the markets actually reacting to the number. Yeah, that being said, I'll be streaming on FOMC, so we might do the same thing, Greenfinger. Just like yesterday. So I would probably say like 25.5, you know, 26.5, 26.6. Those are the 2 areas that I'm really interested in. If this wasn't a swing fail, I probably wouldn't have shorted. There we go. Back to back says I'm scared for 4-hour bull. It's almost there, but I don't think it's tapped it yet, brother. Yeah, no, you're good.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit.
You're good. I'm waiting for this. Yeah, this is kind of interesting though, this build up. We drew it yesterday. I don't know how you want to draw it. Maybe the 1 hour is a little, yeah. Oh, that's POC time, y'all. We have an 56 minutes on the hourly candle close. So where's S&P? Did S&P gap or close? Not yet. Hey, remember this, by the way, y'all? I mean, I'm just sticking to my plans, y'all. I'm just sticking to my plans, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, Kimber Gang, I'm on a work call right now, but we juicing like Jamba Juice, bitch. Come on, baby, let's go, Kimber Gang. Woo-wee! Come on, come on. Hey, how we doing? How we doing? I'm still doing my work call, but you guys Gucci? You know we juicing like a motherfucker, right? Hey, we're at 54,000. Yeah. Not bad. Hey, I mean, we took this shit live.
Oh, hey, happy Tuesday, y'all. What a day. Again, short, no. So the levels that interest me are 25.5 and what did we say this morning? 26.6. If it comes up, this I'm gonna probably think about shorting that again, maybe. All right, well, hey, you guys, let's wrap it up, and I will regroup with you guys bright and early tomorrow. We're pretty close to keeping this running 24/7, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, all right, let's wrap it up. I will see you guys tomorrow. Where is the... How does the channel look like? Okay. Hey. All right, I'm doing it for the volatility, y'all. All right, Market Maker, I'm going to bed. You know what to do. I'm going to start enabling the 24/7 stream. And then if you guys type HyblockCapital, for example, it'll show this. If you type KingFisher, it'll show this. But I need to figure out how I can have these self-refresh without the window being active. But anyways, we'll work on it more tomorrow. Zaya, Grizzly, Antonia, Dre's are in the house. Enemy, Doms are hazy. Wing Zero. Once I get the setup situated, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start getting real nasty because we have the streamathon coming up that I've been wanting to do forever. Well, I don't want to spoil all the surprises. Hope we get a gap. All right, we got PPI and FOMC tomorrow. I won't be on early for PPI. Well, maybe, actually. Probably not, but definitely for market open. So I will see you guys bright and early. We got FOMC at 2 o'clock Eastern. So let's get ready to rumble, y'all. All right, you guys, have a great night. I will regroup with you tomorrow. Love you guys. Love you guys. We made a lot of improvements on the stream setup, so exciting. PPI and FOMC tomorrow. All right, you guys, have a great night. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, y'all. Have a great night, everybody. Peace, everybody.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.